Hello YouTube, I hope you guys can hear me. Holy shit, it's cold. We're in blizzard season, and I wanted to just do a nice little cold start on the Jeep. So we're gonna place this GoPro right here. I'm gonna pull my phone out. We're gonna pull up the camera on my phone so you guys can get an interior view too. For an interior sound clip. 4K. And we're gonna go. Oh, that's cool. Well, I think I have an exhaust leak somewhere. It's coming out from two places. I would say I safely have an exhaust leak, not a big deal. Oh my god, it's cold. Whew. It's negative 11 right now. Hope you guys can see that. Negative 11 Fahrenheit. Whew. We're gonna let her run for a little bit before I drive her. She's already stuck in part-time. She sounds better now. Whew. She doesn't like the cold. Shit, I don't like the cold either. But yeah, just wanted to do a little startup for you guys. Thanks for watching. Oh god, it's so cold. Here. Oh, my feet disappear. I'm wearing 8-inch high boots. Oh shit. I was not expecting that. This is a new battery too. She didn't like that. She didn't like that one bit.